Hey developer friends, you may have seen one of all of any YouTubers on the entire planet do a video recently where they use the dall-e mini tool to just sort of screw around with different conceptual images that they can create. I was actually using this a couple of weeks ago, and still am, to generate conceptual images for a horror western game that I'm developing with kind of abstract anomaly themes, sort of akin to Stalker, I would say. Suddenly seeing this huge upswing in people using this program, it's really awesome, but kind of part of the problem is that while these are conceptually really cool images, and I could definitely use all of this stuff, it's all really low resolution. The final outputs from this fantastic process are only 256 by 256 with this particular AI sampling program. Now, if you've seen my previous content, you'll recall that I already have a solution for this, for low-resolution images made larger that works really well, and I'm offering this as a service. Previously, the service was kind of probably priced too high, so right now what basically this video is announcing is that I'm retooling this service so that it's more oriented toward people using this tool for conceptual art for their games and projects. Here's a great example of using it on a much smaller image to blow it up to a larger, higher resolution and much more functionally useful image. I was also sent historical photos and pictures of people's dogs and pets to preserve memories and stuff like that. But essentially, I don't feel like I had this gig set up correctly, and as you'll notice now, I have it set up to do 9 photos at a time for $5, which is what the dall-e program puts out by default. So, using the same tools and the same process that I'm using for my other projects, my own personal work, I'm going to be able to enhance other people's conceptual AI-generated pieces. As you can see, the previous resolution was basically unusable. The final resolution is a work of art unto itself. And that's just with, one of the basic settings that I could try. Other settings throw different results, especially with images that are AI generated at this low of a resolution. I'm finding this incredibly useful for what I'm doing, and if you have artwork that you're generating with these AI programs and you want it blown up to this level so that you can use it in Photoshop, please hit up my Fiverr gig. I will have a link down in the description along with my link tree with all my other projects and all my other services. Thank you all so much. This is EvelynBatty Studios signing out.